My name is Allison and I'm an 11th grader at Okemos High School. A fun fact about myself is that I like to draw. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a Valentine's Day pop-up card. What you'll need are 2 different colored sheets of paper, a marker, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and either glue or tape. The first thing you'll want to do is take one of your papers and fold it in half. Then along the fold, draw half of a heart. This will be the section that pops out of your card. Once you're done, cut along the line that you've just drawn, but make sure to not cut the middle section. When you're done cutting, open up your card and fold the heart so that it's pointing towards you. Then fold your paper a couple of times to make sure your heart stays folded. Then you'll want to apply your piece of paper to the other paper. You can do this using tape or glue. Once you're finished, you can now use your marker or a pencil to decorate your card. Here I'm writing Happy Valentine's Day and decorating it with some hearts. Here I'm decorating the pop-out heart with the marker just to make it a little more colorful. And after you're done, you have your pop-out card. This is a great gift to give to a family or friends, or you can just make one for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that your school libraries have a lot of great books to choose from. Keep reading, keep learning, and thank you for watching.